I'll do a quick tip video. Just because you have bees does not mean that you're going to have a great harvest of vegetables if you have them right on top of your gardens. These are watermelon cantaloupe vines that are in amongst the corn. Massive tall corn, 9-foot tall. Got one ear of corn that I see forming already, and that's it. It's been a horrible year, but I mean, look at the blooms. We're gonna go right over here and look at the squash. Not the squash. I'll get to those in a minute. Cucumbers. We've had so much rain. There's blooms galore and no cucumbers. The bees are actually ignoring. Well, I say that, and there's one working it. Maybe I'll get a cucumber or two, and then there's a native pollinator. Might get another cucumber or two. When they first come out, I got, I don't know, 20, 25 cucumbers, 16-foot row. First cucumber I've picked in, I don't know, 3 or 4 days. Usually you're getting loads of them every day. Then we'll go up here and look at the zucchinis and the yellow squash. Well, if we can get to it, because the rain has made this garden grow to astronomical heights and not produce any fruit. There are blooms galore on it. Look down in there. There's a couple of little squash. There's a little one there, but I should be getting 2 or 3 squash a day. I picked one, say 2 days ago. So it just goes to show you, I think those that have never watched any of my videos before maybe, there are about, I'd say 70 colonies. A couple of big hives and mostly nuke hives, because I sell queens and produce nukes in early spring. So just because you got bees literally 5 foot away doesn't mean they're going to pollinate what you plant in your yard. So think about your area, not just your yard, when you decide to get bees. That's a quick tip of the day. Hit that like and subscribe. Share the video. Hope you enjoyed it.